Okay, this next video is about using the graphical calculator to draw equations of a circle. So I've got this first equation of a circle here, which is, we already know the centre and radius, but let's say we want to visualise it on a graph to see where a line meets it or whatever. So I can go to main menu, I need to go down to conic graphs, which is mode 9, and then I need to scroll down until I find the two circle functions, which are here and here. And seeing as I've got it in this format, I'm going to go for the first one there, which is that one there. Now be careful, I'm just going to delete these. Be careful here, it's minus and minus, minus h minus k. So in this case, minus h will be -3 and k will be 6, and r, it's r squared, so just be careful at r squared, so r is 5. So I sub that in and then I just click go, and it will draw my circle for me. I might need to zoom out a bit. I'm going to use the zoom out function, so use my pink arrow to get it to a place where I want to look, and then just push enter, and I'm going to zoom out a little bit more so that we can see it. There we go. Okay, now once I've got the circle, I can click Gsolve, I can click center, and it will show me the center is -3, 6, which is what I would expect. I can tag that. I can also go Gsolve and radius, and it will tell me that the radius is 5, which is great. It will also give me the coordinates of where it crosses the x-axis and where it crosses the y-axis as well. What is less easy to do on this function is to then draw a line as well, because obviously we're in a different format here, but it's useful for visualizing. Okay, so let's say I had a more complicated circle equation like this. Now obviously in an exam, to get all the marks, you would need to show completing the square in order to find the centre and the radius. And you can't get away from that, unfortunately. You still have to do that to get the marks, but we can at least cheat and check our answer. So if I come out of all of that and back and go down to the next format, which is kind of more like the format that we've got, then I can draw that one now. So a is the number in front of x squared, so that's 1. B in this case is the coefficient of x, which is a 4. C is the coefficient of y, which is -6. And D is the constant, which is 4. Just be careful here, it is a bit confusing. A has to be the coefficient of x squared and y squared. So we do need a 1 in front of both of those numbers, which we have. So that's fine. So then I push draw, and I'll probably zoom in a bit now actually, because that's rather tiny. There we go. And then I can quickly find the centre, which is -2, 3, and I can quickly find the radius, which is 3. And I can of course find the intercepts of the axes as well. So that is how to draw a circle and to find the centre and radius using the graphical calculator.